Hey guys, welcome back to another Quick Assist video. In today's video, I want to show you how to help protect your browsing so it's a little bit more private. And this way there's less tracking by a lot of websites. So what we want to do is first we're going to open the settings. Then we're going to go ahead, scroll down to apps. From apps, we're going to want to go Safari. If that's like the main browser you're using on iPhone, go ahead and click that. Then we're going to go down to advanced. Okay, so go ahead, click advanced. Then we're gonna wanna go to advanced tracking. And then you just wanna make sure that the private browsing is on. Okay, so then once you hit private browsing, a lot of people don't realize that a lot of apps or websites, they actually track what you're doing in order to advertise. It doesn't always have to be malicious, but some people, whether it's a virus or anything like that, Trojan horse. So yeah, just be careful. And so make sure you turn that on, okay? All right, so after that, then we're gonna wanna go back and we're gonna go to, we're gonna get our apps right here. And then we're gonna wanna find privacy and security. So that's down here, and privacy and security. And then from here, we're gonna go to tracking and we're gonna wanna go ahead and turn that toggle on. Okay, guys, so do these two things. This will help protect your privacy better when you're browsing online. And I hope this video helped. If it did, please like, subscribe, comment. Appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.